Tidradio.
The Tidradio GM5R is a two-way GMRS radio that is repeater capable. It has a 3800 milliamp extended battery. It has dual band scanning and 11 NOAA weather frequencies for you to listen to the weather. It has a longer talking range than some of your bubble pack radios, and this is what I call a GMRS radio that's affordable for hams. So stay with me while I go over why I like this radio, and I think you might like it too. The GM5R. Tidradio is GM5R. This is a GMRS two-way radio, and yes, it does look familiar if you are used to the Baofeng UV5R. Then you'll be right at home with the Tidradio GM5R GMRS radio. You got all your standard buttons and menu options in the GM5R as you would find in the UV5R. Over here you have your standard K-plug for your speaker mics or programming cables or wireless programming. And on this side you've got your push to talk, your call button, and your monitor button. And we all know that the monitor button also activates the flashlight. You get a belt clip that would install here, and you get a 3800 milliamp battery straight out of the box. That's what it comes with. You won't get that with this unless you order it separate. So the antenna being a little bigger than what you usually see on some other radios really helps out the range on this radio, and I'm going to show you that right now.
All right, I'm going to pull out on the main road. You ready?
I can hear you good.
So how you hear me? I can hear you good too. I'm in between a bunch of trees. How you hear this? That's good. Now I'm on top of the hill, so you should be able to hear me. I lost you. I'm at the crazy intersection now. All right, I'm past the crazy intersection, and I'm going to go up to the church. I'm on the road going to the church. I'm going to pull into the church. Can you hear me? All right, can you hear me now? Is it hot outside? All right. I'm having a little trouble hearing you, but you got the smaller antenna, so maybe you can hear me okay. I'm coming back home. We're recording now.
Almost 2 miles through all the obstructions of houses and trees and hills. Man, and me riding in my truck. Now you notice when I stepped out of the truck there at the end, my signal greatly improved. So I am impressed with this radio. I do like it so far. All right, so let's take a little close look at the menu here, because I want to point out something on the GMRS radio is the menu system is semi-locked down. So like transmit power is going to be our example. If you're on, it says GMRS 1, but it's actually a FRS channel. If you're on channel 1 and you go to the transmit power high, but you want to save battery, so you want to go and select it, change it to low. Hit menu to save that selection. If you go to another menu and come back, it's back to high power. So what can we do about that? Well, Tidradio has this neat little gadget. Bluetooth programmer works wonderful with the GM5R. This is the newer version that I reviewed. The video will be recommended to at the end screen if you'd like to view it. We'll simply take the programmer, plug it into the side, turn it on, and we're ready to open our phone app. So inside of the OD Master app that goes with the Bluetooth programmer, you can alter the channel details and options in that app and then write the radio, and you can have channel 1 set to low power by default if you wish. For an example, there's also something else you can do, and this is where I say this is a good radio for ham radio operator, because with the app and the Bluetooth programmer, you can also load in your 2 meters, 70 centimeter amateur radio frequencies. And this radio sounds great on 5.2. And I also have my repeater programmed in, which is a 2 meter VHF repeater. So you can take this radio, it's a part accepted radio, and you can use part accepted equipment on the amateur radio bands. So although it's not proper to take the UV5R and use it on GMRS, you can take GMRS and use it on amateur radio, just like that. So with this radio combined with the Tidradio's Bluetooth programmer, you can really get into the programming of this radio, and you don't have to struggle to change some options that are set by default in the system. And you can have a dual purpose radio, GMRS and amateur radio, and it's legal. If you want to argue about it, leave a comment. So there's my overlook of the GM5R by Tidradio. There'll be links in the description where you can also find you a GM5R and a Bluetooth programmer, both by Tidradio. And if you would like to see more about the Bluetooth programmer, there's a video right over here that will take you to my review of that. 73, have fun.